friends, our today topic is arpeggios. We have done that in earlier grade as well. So let's start straight away with the questions to be asked. So write the key signature of each key shown, then write its one octave arpeggio in the rhythm given below. So they have given us a rhythm over here, you can see that, and the time signature there. So we have to put the key signature and then write the one octave arpeggio up or down as given. So you can read here in the first example. We'll start from the first question straight away without wasting our time. So that is given B minor going up and then down. So we have to go up and then we have to come down, and it is B minor. So B minor, we know the key signature is F sharp and C sharp. So if we make it F sharp, C sharp, let's just make it slightly more bigger for you. So we're gonna put F sharp here and then C sharp, then the time signature, and then we have to going up and then down. So let's start from B. So we have B start here. This is first note, B, C, D, E, F. So the notes, let's find out the notes we need first. That will be easier for you. So B, C, D, E, N, F, G, A, N, B. So the notes we need is B for the arpeggio, third degree, the fifth degree, and the last one. So let's start. We have made D here. Now we have to make F. So let's make F here. Then F, G, we have A, B. So G, A, N, B here. Let's make B here. Then we come down. We make it here F. Then we come back to D. And then we have one line here, bar line. Then we have finished with the B here. Then we have a crotchet there and here. So let's make this down. We make this one down. Yes, this one as well, down only. So here we have made it B minor arpeggio going up and then down. Okay, let's move to the next one. So next one given here is C minor. So in C minor we know the key signatures are B flat, E flat, and A flat. And the notes we need here is we take C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So we need the first, third, fifth, and then the last one. Here we have to going down and then up. So let's make the key signature first. So B flat. So let's make the B flat, E flat, and then A flat. Okay, time signature is 6 by 8. Let's start from C. So we start from C here. Let's take the top C. So we start C here. Okay, then we have to come to G. So this is our G. Then we come to E and then C. Then we go back to E and we go back to G, bar line, and then we go back, finish with C here with the crotchet rest and quiver rest. Okay, let's make this one. Here. Okay, these one I think the dotted one, so we have to put a dot here. Okay, so here we finish the C minor going down then up. Let's do the next one. Next one is C major. So C major, we know there is no key signature. That means no flat and sharps are there. So we straight away go to the time signature, that is 6/8, and we start with the C. So let's start with the C, center C. So the notes we needed, so C, E, G, and C again. So C is here, we have E, and we have G, and then we make A, B, and C here. Okay, then we come down to G, to E, and finish with C here. Okay, this is C. Let's make them down. Let's put them down here and down with the dotted one. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next one is A major going down then up. So we have to make A major. So for the A major, we know we need F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And the notes we need is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So that is A, C, E, and A. So we put the key signature first. So F sharp, we're gonna go here. F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Time signature. Let's start. We have to go down first. So let's start with here A. This is A. Then we come to E. Come to C. A. Go back to C. E. And we finish with A. And the rest here. Okay, let's put this down, dotted. We go up this time. We go down here. And that's how we finish this one. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is label these one octave arpeggios. So we have to tell them which keys in this arpeggio is. So we can see, there's no key signature given here, but the accidentals are there. So accidentals are F. So first thing is, let's check write down the notes. This is F, this is C, this is A, this is F again, A, C, and F. So that means it is, if you go to arpeggios, if F, C, A, and F. So that means something F. Now check the accidental. This is F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp again. It follows, and F sharp again. So now what we have to do in this one, that is, it has one sharp, that is F sharp, two is this one. So we know if it's something F with F sharp, that means this should be F sharp minor scale. Okay, there should be G sharp as well, but they have taken arpeggio, so that's why the G sharp you cannot see here right now. But this is our F sharp minor scale, minor arpeggio. C major, we have given right that, so we don't write the scale here. Let's cut the scale. So F sharp minor going down, then up. Okay, now next one is key signature given there, FC. So we know either this is F sharp or A major. Okay, so A major or F sharp minor. Let's see where it starts. It starts from A, so the note is A, C, E, and A. So that means it's easy to understand that this is A major because it's not starting on F, it's starting on A. This is A major, going up, then down. Okay, the last one we have is 1 sharp, that means either this is G major or E minor. So let's see where it start from. This is C, D, E. So start from E here. So this is easy. This is E minor. And going up, then down. So here we finish over this topic. If you have any question, please write in the comment section, guys. Please like and share the videos as much as you can. Thank you so much for your support and your help. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.